Keep your car clean and your dog safe with the Plush Paws seat cover. This stylish and heavy-duty seat cover protects your seats, helps your dog feel safe and secure, and isn't restrictive like others. It features a silicone non-slip backing, as well as seat anchors, headrest buckles, and elastic straps to keep it secure on any seat. It also features 4 Velcro openings that allow for easy access to seat belts for kids and car seats. Waterproof and easy to clean, this cover is padded for comfort and features diamond stitching for increased durability. There's also side seat flaps for added protection as your dog gets in and out of the car, and it's hammock convertible to help your dog feel safe and secure while driving. The Plush Paw seat cover comes with 2 harnesses and seat belts to fit any size dog. This helps give dogs freedom to move around while reducing driving distractions for you. Protect your car from claws, paws, spills, hair, and dander with the Plush Paws seat cover.